Eye makeup can enhance the natural beauty of your eyes and make them look more attractive. However, many people struggle with achieving the perfect eye makeup look. In this article, we will share some tips and tricks for creating a beautiful eye makeup look. Prep your eyes. Before applying eye makeup, it's important to prep your eyes. Start by applying an eye primer to your eyelids, which will help your eye makeup last longer and prevent creasing. You can also apply a concealer to your eyelids to even out the skin tone. Define your brows. Well-defined brows can frame your eyes and make them look more striking. Use an eyebrow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and define the shape of your brows. Brush your brows upwards using a spoolie brush to create a natural look. Apply eyeshadow. Choose eyeshadow colors that complement your skin tone and eye color. Start by applying a light shade all over your eyelids and a slightly darker shade in the crease to add depth. Use a blending brush to blend the colors together for a seamless look. You can also add a pop of color to your inner corners to brighten up your eyes. Line your eyes. Eyeliner can make your eyes look more defined and dramatic. Use a pencil, gel, or liquid eyeliner to line your upper lash line, starting from the inner corner and working your way outwards. You can also line your lower lash line for a more intense look. Curl your lashes. Curling your lashes can make them look longer and more voluminous. Use an eyelash curler to curl your lashes before applying mascara. Hold the curler at the base of your lashes and gently clamp down for a few seconds. Apply mascara. Mascara can add volume and length to your lashes. Choose a mascara that suits your needs, such as a volumizing or lengthening mascara. Apply mascara to your upper and lower lashes, starting from the roots and wiggling the wand upwards. You can also apply multiple coats for a more intense look. Finish with highlighter. Adding a highlighter to your brow bone and inner corners can make your eyes look brighter and more awake. Use a small brush to apply a shimmery highlighter to these areas for a subtle glow. To emphasize your eyes and achieve a stunning eye makeup look, the basics of good eye makeup application should be followed. Start with a clean and moisturized face as your canvas. Apply a primer designed for the eye area to provide smoothness and prevent creases. Use satin or natural finish eyeshadows as a neutral base all over the eyelids.